The Valley is a step closer to getting a new community college. Some area leaders traveled to the Butler County Community College location in Brockway, Pennsylvania to examine a model for the proposed school in Sunbury. Susquehanna Valley Community Education Project organized the bus trip for interested parties to learn more about the business of establishing a community college in Pennsylvania. The group of 20 toured the Brockway facility with Butler County Community College President Nick Newpower, who spoke about the need for partnerships with government and local business to ensure a successful community college.
As a result of a ton of collaboration from a lot of people who wanted to make something like this happen.
Group leaders are looking to partner with another community college to incubate classes in Sunbury beginning next fall. With a location in Shamokin, Luzerne County Community College is a possible partner. Susan Spry is Luzerne's Vice President of Workforce and Community Development.
So what we heard today a little bit was around trying to find the gaps in services and educational opportunities, and then maybe trying to patch those through with either existing, we have faculty, we have programs, we could provide that across the river, so to speak, and into the Sunbury area and surrounding communities.
Several Sunbury properties are under consideration for the college, including the former Bowman store building on Market Street and the Sunbury Middle School at 115 Fairmount. While an application to the state to become the 15th community college in Pennsylvania is at least 3 to 5 years in the future, the group hopes that by incubating classes in a Sunbury location, they can strengthen their position and show that a post-secondary school of this type can be supported in Sunbury. In Pennsylvania, community colleges have funding plans composed of 1/3 state dollars, 1/3 tuition, and 1/3 funding commitment from local cities or counties. Sponsorship from local government is key to the project's success, according to SVCEP member Mary Blankenship. After the tour, Northumberland County Commissioner Rick Schock was excited by the possible growth that can come from establishing a community college.
Something that makes a lot of sense for the area from an economic standpoint and from a cultural standpoint.
Project leader Linaire Alam expects details about classes and a location to be forthcoming in the next 2 to 3 months. I'm Jennifer Wakeman for WKOK.com.